What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan, coming with another video. And just coming to make a quick video real quick. Today's Fuck Fat Tuesdays, or Fat Boy Tuesdays. Actually this week I haven't lost any weight this week. Did a lot of, been doing a lot of scientific things to my own body. That's the only way you learn, if you learn on yourself. But I'm pretty sure by next week I'll be down 6 more pounds. I just wanted to try something out this week. Also, sorry for the grass cutting. However, I'm gonna have a couple of clips. Call it a day. Peace. What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan? Just taking a nature walk at the park by my house. Pretty nice day outside, pretty hot. And for me, living in Florida, I wear a sweater still everywhere I go, even though it's hot as hell outside. Just taking a walk real quick. Then about to do some jump ropes. Beautiful day. Sometimes you just gotta get up and go. I think I found my jump rope spot. Then I'll walk through nature in a little bit. You always gotta practice. Do something, practice, find a spot. Gonna set the camera up real quick and start my jump roping. Make sure you take everything out your pocket. Since I am losing weight, my shorts keep falling, so tie them up. I'm just gonna do basic jump roping, nothing special. Just to let you know, I haven't jump roped in a while, so it's crazy shit. What up, I'm back. Tired from jump roping. All I can say is from jump roping is don't stop. Don't stop on anything that you're doing, because when you restart again, it's gonna be even worse. I used to jump rope all the time. Now that I stopped, it's harder. And I'm winded quicker. I'm not smoking any weed, I'm not drinking. Getting my body back in shape. Coming into nature and stuff like that. But other than that, everything's great. Can't complain. Let's get back to it. Fuck, man. I am using the cross rope jump rope. Like I said, the only thing that I have an issue with, the handles are kind of heavy. But other than that, it's a great jump rope set. I'm gonna put the link in the description. And then you should be good to go after that. Taking a walk. It's a dope meditation spot. It's a cool ass park. It's a big park. I'm gonna keep walking around, show y'all. Walk here by the water. Some water over there. Some water over here. It was raining last night or yesterday, so the water's mad high. As you can see the sign, beware of alligators. We do live in Florida, so we do have to worry about alligators. But other than that, what I need to do is start carrying some food, because if the alligator do try to come creep up, give them some food. Anyways, let's go take a walk. I mean, this is a good nature walk. Haven't been outside, like I said. I don't go outside as much as I used to, but now I'm getting back into nature again. You can't beat nature, yo. No matter how much technology you have, how much money you have, where you live. And I love where I live in Florida because the beaches is right down the street. There's nice parks around here. And where I live, not really too bad. Can't complain. It used to be bad, but it's not that bad anymore. Let's take a walk through here. So you see how we walk through concrete? Now we just walk through grass, through nature. I wish I knew a little bit more about nature. That's why I want to study more about nature, different plants and stuff like that. Me being a city boy, you know, this is new, but since I've been living in Florida for so long, I should have been known more about nature and stuff like that. But it's a beautiful day. I hate snakes and I hate rats. So when I used to live in New York, we had mad rats out there. Now I don't see rats over here, we see snakes. And I hate both of them. And the good thing, they both eat. Snakes eat rats, so that's the great thing about it. But yeah, look at this nature walk. Birds chirping. Let me cut it off. I'll be back again. Oh, there's some more. Bench. You know what? Let's walk to this. Haven't been to this park in a long time. It changed a lot. This is dope. It was set up. Luckily, this park is not that big that I'll get lost at. Cause I'll be crying like a little bitch if I do get stuck in nature. Nature always wins. What the hell is that? Oh, I thought that was an animal. And I didn't even bring no knives with me, no weapons or anything like that. So if something attacks me, I'm done. I'm lost. Let's come over here. Birds chirping. Foot traffic only. You think the animals, when they chirp, they're just calling the other animals, let them know that there's a human on their way? This is dope. So there's some more foot traffic. This wasn't here a long time ago. This is all brand new. Another section where you can walk through. This is all brand new. For a type of level of hiking, this is like a level 1. Not really too big. Let's go. I didn't know this foot traffic was so long. Before, this used to be all dirt and dope. This right here, just this little walk would be city life all day. I'm gonna make a commitment to at least come over here twice, 2 to 3 times a week. Take a walk, get your mind right. You find a good spot, you can even meditate over here. I think I'm lost, but this is dope, because this used to be, like I said, it used to be all dirt. You just walk through here. Walking through nature, yo. Can't beat it. But I'll be back. I'll show you another clip where I'm at. And we just keep walking, find my way. Warning, alligators. No feeding wildlife. No feeding wildlife, but they might feed on me. Nah, but this is a dope park. I mean, nothing never really happens here, so I never heard of anybody get attacked by an animal. So this is more you got people working here that contains everything. So this is another section. What I like about the park is a Cancer Survivors Plaza. So you just walk through here, and man, like I said, this is a cool little spot that I neglected for a long time. I don't know why, maybe because I'm an idiot. But I'm gonna promise myself and my community that I'm gonna be out here in nature. Let me get off the rocks and walk on the grass. Now those rocks are dumb. But yeah, look at this, it's dope, man. What I'm gonna start doing is coming out here and doing sprints in the grass. Just getting back in shape, man. It's sad that we neglect ourselves sometimes, and it just, life happens, you know. You come outside, you chasing money, you chasing women, chasing drugs. Well, I'm not really into drugs like that, but you know, weed and alcohol. Well, I don't even think weed is a drug, but if you're just working just to buy weed and you don't got nothing to show for it, then that's a problem. That's the only problem I have about weed. If you broke and living at your mom's house and have no job and living off of government and have welfare, you should not be smoking weed, because you don't have the money for weed. But that's a different story. You know how I feel about that by now. If you have money, go ahead and smoke weed. If you're not living off the government, go ahead and smoke weed. Mercedes. Let's go over here. It's sad about this cancer. If they only knew how to eat and what to eat. But I also think where you live, because it's sometimes you live by power lines, and it's crazy. Your environment can dictate. Here goes the cancer. I think they need to fix this up. Let's walk over here. Dope little rock. There's all kids paintings and stuff like that. It's right here on Friday the 13th. They found out I had leukemia. At first, when I had leukemia, I was scared. But when I met Autumn, she showed me not to be scared, and the doctors are going to help me. A few years later, I was happy because I was better, but I was sad because 3 of my friends died. I still miss them a lot, Sarah. And that's crazy. These are young kids. Who is that? Michaela. Linnea, age 5. And these are kids with cancer. Austin Park, 5. Survivor, that's great. Perfect. Roy at 12. I guess that's them playing football. That's dope. Cancer love brings my family together. Hopefully he's doing well. My mom loves butterflies. There it goes. That's love right there. Family. I wonder if they change this up every now and then. Children, Christopher. It's sad when you see kids with cancer. Look at that, 10 years old, Benjamin Eves. God is my strength and my strength and my shield. Look at that, he fighting cancer as a dinosaur. That's dope. On chemo with God, without God. Ashley Smith, 14 years old. It's crazy. And look at that. Dreading the hospital. Dope. Go take a walk. Yep. Now you know where I'm at. That's little baby Yankee Stadium here in Florida. This is what the Yankees play during the spring training. There goes Aaron Judge. My followers, now you know where I'm at. This is baby Yankee Stadium. Dope little section.